We've just watched a car put this dog here. Car's just dropped the dog and left.
As we approached, we saw a little black dog by the bin, looking up, his big brown eyes looking at us, looking terrified, basically. He'd only just been done, thankfully. We were just driving down the road and my vet made a noise and pulled in. You never know the reasons why these people throw the dogs away. He was by the side of the road and we were on the brow of a hill. Dusk coming, he's a black dog. He wouldn't have been alive the next morning. He would have been run over. Our vet just went up, touched him and lifted him up and he just allowed it. He was resigned to whatever was going to happen to him. So we just picked him up, popped him in the car, got on my lap. Bless him, he threw up. He was scared, obviously. Our vet checked him over and he started his rehabilitation. Their poop basically tells their story. He had cigarette butts, and that was it. He'd been eating cigarette butts, and wherever he'd been, he hadn't been given food. He was desperate for love, basically, that's all. I mean, he came around very quickly. It just never ceases to amaze me how people would throw a dog away and not look back.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Handsome. You're handsome. Look at him. Hey, gorgeous boy. Hey. Hey.
Good boy, go on.
Good boy, Freeway!
Stay?
Yes! Good boy!